Now, if you have a bathroom fan with just the vent and you want to add a light, or if your cover is missing altogether, this is a great solution. I've been putting these in for people. It's a FG500N Braun Newtone light. It's got an LED light and openings for the exhaust air to go through. And the cool thing about it is there's no wiring required. You simply plug this in where that fan is plugged in up there, and then plug the fan into this part. Now, it has these little clips that come with it, and it comes with an extra longer set as well to help mount it. And so the way we do it is just pull this guy down, squeeze the clips together, and see how well we can get this. It can be tricky with one hand. Okay, there we go. And see how this is just plugged in here? Make sure your switch is off before you do this. This will plug into the new unit, and the new unit box will plug in here, and then we'll have a fan and a light all in one. So that's gonna be pretty sweet. I already replaced this fan in here, and so fan motor, so I know it's good. And this kind of takes the mess out of it and is so much easier, and you get a light out of it, which is the great part. So let's see here. I need to get two hands on this for a second while I move the camera. There we go. See, I've got to squeeze these in, pop them in here. That'll kind of hold it in place while I do my plug in. So I'm going to turn it around this way, plug that in, and then plug this guy in this way. There we go. There we go. And remember, I didn't have a light here at all. Now, the light will come on with the fan. Some people don't like that. They like to be separate, but we need a little more light in this bathroom anyway. So this is gonna be perfect. So, and this guy is a little bigger than my other one, so it'll kind of clean up some of the mess I've got around the edges. There we go. All right, now I should be able to push it up into place. There we go. There we go. A piece of it flying off there. But wow, what a difference. That makes it so much more clean. Covers up the edges, and let's test it out. Ha ha ha! So I can turn my other lights off. My vanity lights. And I've got light and fan. Very clean looking, and I don't have to clean this grate because this one up here has nice wide open holes, and I don't have to deal with that anymore. Pretty sweet.